Today, I'm going to teach you how to show products from specific categories on your shop page in Woocommerce. This is incredibly useful when you want to filter what products appear on your main shop page, maybe to highlight seasonal items or focus on particular product lines. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to WordPress.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account if you haven't already. Make sure you're signed in with the account that has access to your Woocommerce store, as we'll need full admin permissions for what we're about to do. Now that you're logged in, look at the left navigation menu and locate the Plugins option. Click on it and an expanded menu will appear with additional options. From these options, click on Add Plugin. This will take you to the Plugins Marketplace, where you can browse and install new functionality for your site. You'll now see the Plugins page displaying all the available plugins you can add and utilize on your Woocommerce account. Here, locate the search bar at the top of the page and type in snippets. From the search results that appear, look specifically for code snippets. This plugin allows you to add custom code to your site without editing theme files directly. Click on more details to see an overview of this plugin and understand its features and functions. Take a moment to review what it does. Once you're ready, click on Install Now. The installation might take a while to complete, so be patient and let it finish. Once the installation is done, you'll see the button change to Activate. Go ahead and click Activate to enable the plugin on your site. Once the plugin is activated, direct your attention back to the left navigation menu, where you'll now see a new option labeled Snippets. This is the plugin we've just installed. Click on it and you'll be directed to the Snippets overview page. From here, you'll see all the code snippets you've previously added and applied to your Woocommerce site. Now, to show products from specific categories on your shop page, we need to add a new code snippet. Click on the Add New button located at the top part of your screen. This will open a code editor where you'll input your custom code. I'll be showing you the code for this function, so feel free to pause the video to copy the code accurately and add it to your code editor. The code you'll be adding includes parameters for taxonomy, field, and terms. These are the elements that control which categories get displayed. Simply edit these values based on the specific category that you wish to show on your shop page. For example, if you want to show only electronics or clothing, you'd specify those category slugs here. Once you've updated the code with your specific category information, simply click on Save and Activate to apply the changes. And that's it. Your shop page will now display only products from the categories you specified, giving you complete control over what your customers see. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.